I'm Dr. Bill Spady, and I want to share with you my experience in writing a book that I just had to write. It had come at a time in my life where I was experiencing so many things in terms of my inner development, my spiritual path, awakenings, revelations happening left and right about things that I had no experience of previously, but they were so real, so dynamic, so tangible. I absolutely had to write about them. What I ended up doing is writing an autobiography. I realized that the journey that I was on had a beginning, and that beginning was so profoundly different from where I have ended up that to trace out that evolution and to trace out that range of experiences would be valuable for readers, because many other people were in the same position I was in. All we knew is about life on our planet, and we called it reality, and that's all it was. And it was physical, it was emotional, it was psychological, but there was nothing else to it. You lived once, and then you died, and then some kind of something happened, some mystery happened. Well, in the course of all of this, I was introduced to human potential work. I began to realize there was more to me and more to life than what I had realized. And I was also letting go of and clearing beliefs about my own limitations and ways of behaving and ways of thinking, etc., that became more and more liberating. The bottom line is that I wrote this book. It's called Opening to Greater Realities. And those realities got more and more and more astonishing for me as I continued to seriously pursue this inner work. What I document in this book is the benefit I've received from working with many different spiritual teachers, guides, in some cases shamans, all of whom have opened up doors of awareness, doors of possibility, doors of connection to something that absolutely astonished me, and that is past lives and past revelations about what I had experienced and the energies that I had been carrying from lifetime to lifetime. So, if you're someone who believes only in this is the way it is and this is our life here and that's all there is, I really invite you, take a look at this book. See what I've experienced. I went from very humble 3D beginnings out in the state of Oregon. I ended up with a PhD teaching at Harvard. I was locked into an intellectual paradigm, and then things began to change. The changes of the last 15 to 20 years, I'll say, have been absolutely remarkable. And what I realized that it was like riding a rocket ship. It just went faster and faster. More and more was coming, deeper and deeper. And what has resulted in terms of an outlook on life, a realization of who I am, and an ability to contribute to the lives of others is all embraced in this book. I want you to gain as much from this book as I gained writing it and as I have gained from the experiences that I've had. Thank you.